What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I am in Marylebone, just by Paddington Street. You've got Marylebone Square over there. They're going to be having a music festival, so if you're into music, do check it out. But just here we have the gardens at Paddington Street, or the Paddington Street Gardens. And as we can see just over here, you've got this lovely memorial saying the gardens, Paddington Street, before passing into the care of the municipal authority in 1885 for use as a public garden. This land was known as St George's burial ground and was so used from 1731 to 1857. So if you'd come here at that time, you would actually have seen a graveyard, which it is no longer. And of course, there are actually two sections to this particular garden. But over here, you can actually see the coat of arms just over there, which are quite lovely. And as we walk around, we can get to see a bit more of these gardens. And of course, they are in the city of Westminster, which is also known as the London Borough of Westminster. But as you can see with the sign over there, we've got the city of Westminster, and you've got some lovely sculptures, art, and flowers in these particular gardens. And we're going to see one of the phenomenal sculptures just over here, coming up in a few moments. And just here we've got the street orderly boy, which is a lovely sculpture of a street orderly boy from the Victorian era. And have a look at that. In any case, I hope you've enjoyed this little video of the Paddington Street Gardens, and have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye!